Have you ever wondered what's inside the planets that dot our night sky? The universe is teeming with enigmatic mysteries, captivating our human curiosity. Each celestial body, a world with its own secrets waiting to be discovered. Well, prepare yourself for a journey into the depths of our solar system. Starting with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. It's a world of extremes, boasting a large iron core and a thin, rocky mantle. Though small, Mercury's iron heart makes it a fascinating study. Next stops are Venus and our home, Earth. Both planets are layered like a cosmic trifle, boasting a core, mantle, and crust. Yet Venus's scorching heat and Earth's thriving biosphere paint a vivid picture of contrast. Despite the similarities, Venus's extreme temperatures and Earth's life-supporting conditions create a stark contrast. Onward to the giants, Jupiter and Saturn. These behemoths are predominantly gas, their colossal size dwarfing Earth. Beneath their turbulent, gaseous atmospheres, there may lie solid cores. Their swirling storms and majestic rings make these gas giants truly spectacular. We now reach the outermost planets, Uranus and Neptune. These ice giants are cloaked in frigid atmospheres and whipped by ferocious winds. Beneath their icy exteriors, we might find rocky cores. Their blue hues and icy storms are a sight to behold. So, what's inside the planets? From Mercury's molten core to Neptune's icy storms, each planet harbors unique secrets, waiting for us to uncover.